guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today, you guys, I am making Pastelitos de Manzana. Those are apple turnovers in English, and this episode starts right now. Okay guys, as I mentioned, today we are making Pastelitos de Manzana, apple turnovers my way. So let me show you the ingredients. Check them out. Alright, so here we go guys. We got 5 Granny Smith apples that I have cored and I have thinly sliced, as you can see. I like to use Granny Smith apples because Granny Smith apples hold their shape. They're very strong when you're baking apple pies or when you're making, in this case what I'm going to use is puff pastry sheets for this. I have 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, because you all know I like to control the salt in my food. I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I've got 1 tablespoon of AP flour, which is what holds it all together. So you guys, and of course some powdered sugar to dust. So here is my basic packaged puff pastry shells. Alright guys, so I'll meet you over at the stove and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. So now we are going to put our 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to grab 1 tablespoon of AP flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Put our apples in there. Okay, so now I'll go close up here so you can see I'm stirring all this up. Like I said, you can use any apples you like. I prefer Granny Smith because they hold their shape. They don't turn to mush and they don't fall apart. And they have a nice little sour kick to them versus the sweet. So now we're going to put our heat on medium-high. We're going to do this real quick. It won't take any time at all. Okay guys, so this is what it's starting to look like. As you can see, I'll zoom it in. A nice brown sauce. I really don't like to cook the apples too much because I always like a little to add some texture to my Pastelitos de Manzana and have a little bite when you bite into it. So that's just about good to me. So, all right. Hey guys, I'm back for a minute and I've got I forgot to mention I added a teaspoon of cinnamon to our apple mixture. Here, I'm going to do a close-up and show you how I prepare this. So, this is a whole sheet of puff pastry, and I cut it in a diagonal. So they are pastelitos. So we're going to go ahead and put this in here, stuff it, and I'm going to show you how I crimp it my way. Like this. Still a little warm, and that's quite all right, guys. I'm going to push that little baby in there. Okay, so now we're going to run up this way and this way. We're going to run this way like this. And I am going to confirm this with a fork. Watch, I'll show you how I crimp it and then I'll fork it to make sure nothing comes out. So we're going to get our AP flour, our fork and our AP flour. Just like that?
Yeah.
Alright.
On the table, on top of the laptop. The parent got the glow on the bike. But it's 12 years old, it's like a puppy still.
There we go. So now I'm going to score it.
So it's tall,
Plus, it's so beautiful. Now I'm going to grab my cookie sheet and we are going to spray our cookie sheet. Because it's a must. We're going to bake it at 400 degrees for 12 to 16 minutes in a regular oven. And my convection oven, I'm going to do it at 375 for 12 to 16 minutes. Alright, so we've got our first one down, guys. 1. So I'm gonna do the last two, you guys, and when I come back, I'm gonna put this in a 400-degree oven for 12 to 16 minutes. So I'm gonna hit 16, and I'm gonna run my oven at 375 because my oven's a convection. If you have convection, use it for 375, and always add 25 degrees if you have a regular oven. So if you're at home, 400 degrees is perfect for 16 minutes. You guys, and I'll be right back. You don't wanna miss this. Hey guys, I'm back, and our Pastelitos de Manzana are ready. Look at that, how beautiful is that? Yum. So now, for a little extra treat, I'm gonna put some powdered sugar on top, which I always do when I make these. It makes it so pretty and so yummy. Ooh. Oh my God, it's snowing in the kitchen. Goodness gracious me. Look at that. God. Yum. And now the fun part I get to taste. All right, let's put this away. So look how easy that was, you guys. Normally what you can take an egg and beat it lightly with a brush and put some egg wash on your puff pastry to make it nice and golden brown. Ran out of eggs, so my actual mixture with the brown sugar and the butter did just fine to brown my pastries. So it's all about improvising when you don't have it. All right. Now I'm gonna taste it. It's hot. Oh God. My mouth is watering. Apple hot. Oh. Cinnamon, you do some molasses and the brown sugar. The apples still have a bite to them. So remember guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment, excuse me. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button and don't forget the bell. And as I always say in all my videos, my two main ingredients, passion and love. I don't care where you come from, I don't care what your kitchen looks like, I don't care where you are in the world. As long as you incorporate passion and love, which are my two main ingredients in any recipe that you make, it will not fail. I promise you that it will not fail. And of course, as I always say in my videos, our new designs for our merch, you can get them at www.stovetopyumyum.com. And I also have a promo code STOVETOP will save you 10% on every order, on your entire order, and shipping is always free. So guys, it's been a pleasure. I love you guys as always. Au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you guys then. Take great care, guys. Bye.